Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the school attendance app. First, download the official school attendance application from your device's app store. Once installed, log in using your unique student or parent credentials, which your school provides. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. It's designed to give you a clear overview of your current attendance status at a glance, ensuring you stay informed. To mark daily attendance, navigate to the Mark Attendance section, usually found prominently on the home screen. You will then confirm your presence by simply tapping the designated button. This action must be completed within the allowed time window, typically a 15-minute period at the start of each class or school day. You'll receive an instant confirmation message, ensuring your attendance is successfully recorded. To review your attendance history, access the Attendance History or Reports section, usually found in the main menu. Here, you can filter records by specific date ranges, individual classes, or the entire school year, providing a comprehensive overview. The app uses a clear color-coded system: green for present, red for absent, and yellow for tardy, making it easy to understand your status. Enable push notifications to receive real-time alerts for any attendance updates, such as a missed class or a tardy mark. If you have questions, utilize the in-app support feature, which offers a comprehensive FAQ section and direct technical assistance. For specific attendance inquiries, you can contact the school administration directly through the app, ensuring quick and efficient communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.